So today we will solve the Maths Olympiad question root under root 9 minus root 8 equals to what? So first we have to write here whole root. So root 9 is the square of 3. So we will write here 3 minus, and for this we will write 4 into 2. So 4 2s are 8. Okay. So now we will write here whole under root 3 minus. So here 4 is the square root of 2. So we will take out the 2, and here the under root 2 will be remain. Okay. So here we will write this in the form of a minus b ka whole square equals to what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the formula 3 minus 2 root 2. And this is whole root. Whole root 3 minus 2 root 2. So here we will write the 3 in the form of 2 plus 1. So we can write 3 as 2 plus 1. Here minus 2 root 2 into root 1. So this will be 2 root 2 only. Okay. So here again we will write 2 minus, इसको भी छोड़ देंगे, यहाँ पर लिखेंगे 2 minus 2 root 2 into root 1. Then we will write this plus 1 here, and this will be whole under root. So now we will apply this formula here. So a square minus 2ab plus b square, we will write this in the form of this formula. So here a will be root 2 and b will be 1. So we can write this one as root 1. Okay. So this formula is equals to a minus b whole square. So we will write all the values of the a and b in the form of a minus b ka whole square. Okay. So a is root 2 and b is root 1. So a minus b ka whole square. Okay. And here is whole root also. Okay. So now square and under root will be cancelled, and here only root 2 minus root 2 root 1, root 2 minus root 1 will be remain. So we will write in this in the modulus, between the modulus. So the value will be in the positive only. So we know the value of root 2 is what? So the value of the root 2 is 1.414. So your answer will be root 2 minus 1. So this is your answer. So please hit the like and subscribe button. Click in the all button also for more videos. Bye bye.